We are presently here in Sukhothai National Historical Park in Central Thailand. So I would like to make special mention dito yung centuries old na kahoy nila. But in the far before that, no, on facing me, nandun yung main structures ng Sukhothai. Malaki yan siya, it's massive, no? We have a separate coverage videos dyan. But here, dito sa likod ko, dito yung malaki na kahoy, puno. Parang ito nakikita natin sa picture, di ba? Na naka-meditate si the Great Buddha. No, dito niya nakuha ni Siddhartha, no, I think, before he got yung enlightenment, no, with the limited knowledge of Buddhism. Lumang kahoy dito, no? They preserve it. Ibig sabihin yung tao yung nag-adjust sa kahoy, hindi yung kahoy yung pinutol, no? They preserve the trees na for several centuries nandito na. Hopefully this will be a lesson, no, sa policy makers natin, even government officials in the Philippines, na mga kahoy na ganito, they should be preserved, no, at all cost. Harap niya facing yung mga old structures, so which means nag-adjust yung tao sa nature, no? Bigyan ng respect. Tingnan mo yung kahoy na ito, laki-laki pala, oh. We're circling it. Tingnan mo yung tao dyan, dumaan sa gilid niya, how small. Ayan yung scale. You see it? Very very small. Laki-laki ng kahoy, no? Sad story for us, especially in the Philippines, that we've been cutting trees. Now we've been denuding our forests, kaya binaha tayo ng binaha. So Mother Nature has taken a revenge, no, on us for being rapacious. Message also for government officials to think before cutting trees. Dito nag-adjust yung mga tao sa mga kahoy, yung mga old trees, they preserve. Okay? So we're paying tribute, salute to this centuries old tree here in Sukhothai Historical Park in Central Thailand.